Hello again. I want to talk to you for just a minute about submitting a request on our website. First of all, hallelujah, you found us. You found our website. That's a good thing. There's a lot of people out there with a lot of websites selling a lot of stuff. We are Powertrain Company, and I am Joe Hollinsworth. Now, they refer to me as Engine Joe simply because I've been in the business so doggone long. That's just how everybody kind of knows me. But I founded Powertrain Company for three main reasons. And I'm going to tell you the truth. The first one is to provide a living for my family. I always get a kick out of people who say, I founded this company to further the principles of whatever. I founded this company to make a living for my family. That's what I'm here to do. There's no secret in that, and there's no shame in that for me. I'm proud of that fact. But the other two reasons are, one, I wanted customers to have a place where they could buy engines and transmissions from a trusted company. The third reason is pretty simple. I wanted to give you folks a place to buy from a no sales pitch place. I want you to have a place where you can go and shop with confidence and not get covered up with all kinds of upsell pitches and stories about who we are and all that kind of stuff. So basically, I wanted to give you all an honest place to shop for a pretty expensive product. Okay, you want to get some information. That's why you're looking at the website. You're thinking about filling out the request for a quote. I'd rather you just picked up the phone and called us. We'd love to talk to you. But you might not want to be sure that you want to give your information to some robocall website out there in the cloud, whatever that is. So you might be a little apprehensive about filling out that request form. First thing you'll notice is we don't ask for a lot of information. We don't ask for your complete VIN number. We're not trying to find your name and address and Google map your house. We don't want to find the car history on your vehicle. We don't even, we'll get that later on when we're ready to buy an engine or transmission. Right now, we just want some bare bones information. So we don't ask you to fill out a lengthy form with a lot of information that may make you uncomfortable. The reason for that is, number one, we don't need all that stuff. Number two, we plan on talking to you. We don't plan on having your computer communicate with our computer to communicate back to your computer and any other computers that might be listening out there. Now, I'm no computer guy. I don't know how that works, but I hear all the stories that there's not a lot that we can send back and forth that's really very private. So we don't really want our computer talk. We don't have a shopping cart. It's not this kind of business. So we really do want to talk to you. Second, you need to understand your information stays in our house. We don't sell your email address or your phone number or your automobile information to some marketing company. We're our own marketing company. This is all we do, is provide quality engines and transmissions. Okay, so we keep your information in-house. Your information that you send us is secure. We're not selling that crap over the market. So send us that request. Do it in comfort of your own home. Better yet, give us a call. Sooner or later we want to talk to you. We need more information from you to really do the best job we can. And that's what we're about. We only sell at Powertrain Company the highest quality products on the market. We sell OE quality products, stuff that satisfies the original equipment people, Ford, General Motors, Nissan, Chrysler, Toyota, all those people. I can assure you, my people are the best. They're very sincere. They come to work just like you do every day. They're here to make a living, and they want to go home with a clear conscience at night. So they're going to try to get you the best deal they can. They're going to give you the straight information you need. We have a big sign in our office that says, respect the customer. And I think that pretty much says a lot, because that's what we try to do, is respect you. I'm Joe Hollinsworth. I own the company. I'm here every day. You can get in touch with me if you need to. I promise you, your information is secure, and I do respect you.